Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, do you want to rank higher on Google in 2025? Choosing the right SEO tool is very crucial. So, today we'll be discussing Semrush versus Ubersuggest and which one is better in their features, ease of use, SEO capabilities, and pricing. So, let's just get right into it. Starting with Ubersuggest. So Ubersuggest is a beginner friendly with a clean interface as you can see on its website. Has simple keyword search tools. If we talk about SEO features, it basically provides basic keyword data with fewer filtering options. And if you talk about the site audit and SEO growth, it has a simpler site audit as you can see, but fewer in-depth reports. So on the other hand, if we compare it with SEMrush, so SEMrush is basically it is more advanced. It offers in-depth SEO insights, competitor analysis, and PPC tools, but there's a catch that it has a steeper learning curve. And SEMrush also offers your SERP tracking and competitive insights. And if you talk about the audits and SEO growth, SEMrush has basic powerful site audit tools that detects error, broken links, and optimization opportunities. So let's talk about costing. SEMrush is basically pricier, starting at $129 per month, but it offers more professional grade features. On the other hand, Ubersuggest starts at around $29 per month or a lifetime deal for $29, $290. So with that, if you ask me which one I would suggest you to use, so I would say go for Ubersuggest if you are looking for a beginner, a small business looking for a budget-friendly SEO tool, as it is comparatively cheaper. But if you need an advanced SEO, competitive analysis, and professional tools, definitely go for SEMrush because it's a better choice in that scenario. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.